Axure versus Figma, choosing the right prototyping tool for UX design. When it comes to prototyping tools for UX design, Axure and Figma are two popular choices among designers. Both tools offer a range of features and capabilities that can greatly enhance the prototyping process. Axure, a powerful prototyping tool for UX design. Axure is a robust prototyping tool that offers a comprehensive set of features specifically designed for UX designers. Its strength lies in its ability to create highly interactive and dynamic prototypes, allowing designers to simulate complex user interactions and workflows. With Axure, designers can easily create interactive wireframes, define user flows, and add interactive elements such as animations, transitions, and conditional logic. One of the key advantages of Axure is its ability to create realistic and functional prototypes that closely resemble the final product. This level of fidelity enables designers to gather more accurate feedback from stakeholders and users during the testing phase. Axure also offers advanced collaboration features, allowing multiple team members to work on the same project simultaneously, making it an ideal choice for large-scale design projects. Example: using Axure for e-commerce UX design. Let's consider an example of designing an e-commerce website. With Axure, you can create interactive prototypes that simulate the entire user journey, from browsing products to making a purchase. You can incorporate dynamic elements such as product filters, shopping carts, and checkout processes, providing a realistic experience for users and stakeholders. Axure's ability to create adaptive and responsive prototypes is particularly valuable in e-commerce design. You can design different layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices, ensuring a seamless user experience across various screen sizes. By testing and iterating on these prototypes, you can identify and address any usability issues early in the design process, resulting in a more user-friendly and conversion-driven e-commerce platform. While Figma is a popular choice for collaborative design and UI design, Axure stands out as a powerful prototyping tool specifically tailored for UX designers. Its ability to create highly interactive and realistic prototypes, along with its advanced collaboration features, make it an excellent choice for UX design projects. By using Axure, designers can create immersive and user-centered experiences, gather valuable feedback, and iterate on their designs effectively. Whether it's designing e-commerce platforms or other complex user interfaces, Axure empowers UX designers to create intuitive and engaging experiences that align with both user needs and business goals.